Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you a popular Indian street style recipe called onion pakoda. The pakodas are crispy, spicy, and you can't go wrong with it even if you're a beginner. The onions are mixed with gram flour, rice flour, and basic Indian spices and then deep fried until crispy. Now let's get to the recipe. Over here, I'm slicing 3 onions. The onions have to be sliced thinly and not thickly, as thin slices will get cooked faster than the thick slices. If the slices are thick, then when frying, the gram flour gets cooked, but the onion slices remain half cooked. Thinly slices also give a crispy texture in the pakoda. Chop some green chilies. If you don't have any green chilies, then you can add red chili powder. In a bowl, add the sliced onions and the green chili. Add salt according to your taste and some red chili powder. Add coriander powder, jeera powder, ginger garlic paste, and some jeera, and mix everything well. Add some Ajwain and mix everything together. Now you can add besan. So if you used 1 cup of onions, then use half cup of besan. That's how the ratio works. And I used 1.5 cups of besan. And add some rice flour. And mix everything well. If you're allergic to gram flour, then you can use wheat flour to make the pakoda. Do note that the taste differs, but they will still taste good. Add some baking soda. The dough is ready to be fried now. Heat some oil for deep frying until medium hot. Check if it is hot enough by dropping a small quantity of dough in the oil. It must rise without browning and not sink. This is the right time to begin frying. Take some portions and gently drop them into the oil. Fry on a medium heat, stirring occasionally for even frying. Fry the onion pakoda till golden and crisp. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and this would mean a lot to me. Once the onion pakoda is golden and crisp, remove them to a colander or a kitchen tissue. To fry the next batch, ensure the oil is not very hot. Reduce the flame slightly and fry them. Look at how crispy and spicy and delicious it looks. Follow the same instructions to make the next batch. If you missed any of the ingredients, don't worry, I got you covered. Go down below to the description and I have all the ingredients listed below. In the same oil, fry some curry leaves. We're going to garnish the onion pakoda with these curry leaves and they're going to be so crispy and so delicious. You wouldn't need to fry it for that long. You can transfer it into a colander or a kitchen tissue. The onion pakoda is ready to be served. This Indian street style recipe is so delicious and trust me, everyone will love it. And anyone can make it. It's a beginner recipe. And I'm just gonna garnish the onion pakoda with the curry leaves that we fried. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!